Hi guys, it's me, Terri of the Yarnjoy podcast. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. Well, if you've been following my Vlogmas videos, you know that I'm doing a scrap yarn ball Advent swap or Christmas swap with Kayla of Llama Mama Kayla, okay? And I will link her in the description box below, or link to her channel, so then you can see her unwrapping her scrap yarn balls that I sent to her. Okay, so she sent me a package of yarn balls, all individually wrapped, okay, with a number on each bag. And so each day I'm unwrapping that ball, or the package, and then of course now she's put a few little extra goodies in there for me, which is very sweet of her, but I didn't ask her to do that. I just sent her yarn balls. I did send her a gift for the final day, but I kind of feel bad that I didn't put little extras in there. But she's so sweet. If you saw my day one, she made this, or she had, I don't know if she made it. I need to ask her if she made it or she had it made. But it's a coffee mug that has my channel name, Yarnjoy Podcast, on it with a purple owl. Oh, it's awesome. I love it. Anyway, so I am using those scrap balls of yarn in a project to make a scrappy rectangle blanket, and she is also doing the same. So here is my progress so far. Okay, so the purple right there in the middle was the ball for day one, and then yesterday I got this bright green ball of yarn to add to it, and so that is how much I've got. I got, let's see, about 2 rounds and a little, almost 3. So I'm about to close in this round right there. And so and also attached to this the green ball of yarn, she had a beautiful little stitch marker. If you see that, it is a Christmas tree. So I'm using that to hold my stitch in preparation of adding the next ball of yarn in there. Okay, so now I'm following a tutorial that I did for the Scrappy Granny yarn crochet along blanket that we did toward the beginning of the year, and I will link in the description box below the video where I show how to start off this rectangle, and then of course you just keep going around and around until you make it as big as you want. So anyway, that is the one I'm doing. Oop, that was the I'm clanked the stitch marker on the desk. Okay, so let's go ahead and open day 3, or Vlogmas day 3 package. So I found it in the box, and see there is a 3 right there on the bag. So let's open it and see what color of yarn we're going to be adding to this project. Ooh, oh, pretty. So it is a bright yellow color, so this is going to be very pretty added to that blanket. Look at that. Oh, I'm gonna really enjoy putting that in there. And she added, it's a little chocolate, and it has Rudolph on it. See? It says happy holidays, milk chocolate. Oh my goodness, a little sweet treat. Thank you, Kayla. Okay, so I'm going to be adding this ball of yarn onto this project. I'm using a J hook, if you want to know. It's a 6mm hook, okay? And like I was telling you the first day and second day, that I'm watching a Christmas movie as I am putting the yarn into my project each day, and then I told you what movie I was watching. So the first day I watched Miracle on 34th Street, and then yesterday it was a busy day, so I picked something that wasn't quite as long, and I watched Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer because I have it on DVD. And so I watched that yesterday and enjoyed it very much, just singing along to the little songs that are in that cartoon, because I've seen that. I've been watching that video since I was as long as I can remember, because it came out like in the 60s, I think 1964 or something like that, and so it's been out a little bit longer than I have. So anyway, that's what I enjoyed yesterday. Okay, so today my Christmas movie that I'm going to be watching is not necessarily a Christmas movie, but it does have a section in there that is at Christmas time, and in the I always love that part of this movie because it's got such a it's just a sweet spirit to it, and so it reminds me of Christmas time. And so what I'm going to be watching today is Little House on the Prairie, Season 1, Episode 1. So it was the pilot episode. I think it's like an hour and a half long, and I found it on Amazon Prime under the sub-channel of IMDb television. Or no, it's free though. So it's imdb.com, and I will try to find it and I'll link it below. You just have to register. If you're not part of Amazon Prime, you just have to register. It's free on their website, and then it's got a lot of free movies and TV shows and things. And so anyway, that's what I'm watching today is Season 1, Episode 1, the pilot episode of Little House on the Prairie, because they do have a little Christmas scene in there that's very sweet. So that's what I'm watching today. So if anybody wants to join me in watching it, then feel free. Okay, so let's see. On to the next part of Vlogmas is the trivia question. So yesterday I asked you 5 questions, and so let me give you the answers to those. Number 1 was, who tries to stop Christmas from coming by stealing all things Christmas from the Who's? And of course that is the Grinch. Okay. Number 2, Stalin is the traditional fruitcake of which country? It's Germany. Okay. Number 3 is Canada and UK officially celebrate the day after Christmas as what holiday? And that is Boxing Day. Okay. Number 4 was, what color is the berries on mistletoe? They're white. Okay. And we do have mistletoe growing on trees. Well, not much. I don't see them much here in the city, but I'm from a very small town and then out in the country, and you see mistletoe growing on certain trees, seems like out in the country. I do. And so I knew the berries were white. Anyway, let's see. And then the number 5, in O Little Town of Bethlehem, the Christmas Carol, where do the silent stars go by? Okay, the answer is above the deep and dreamless sleep. Okay. Okay, so now for the trivia questions for today. Number 1 is, visions of which sweet foodstuff danced in children's heads as they slept in the poem that was called 'Twas the Night Before Christmas. Okay, so what was it that danced in the children's heads as they slept? Okay, visions of what? Okay, number 2, how many reindeer pull Santa's sleigh, including Rudolph? Okay. Number 3, how many points does a snowflake traditionally have? Okay. Number 4, what is the most popular ornament to place at the top of the Christmas tree? And then number 5, on the 10th day of Christmas, what does my true love give to me? Okay, so that is the trivia questions today. So come back tomorrow and I will give the answers to that. I will give you my progress on this with me adding this yellow yarn onto the project. And then I'll pick another Christmas movie also after I watch this one for today. Okay, so I guess that's it, except let's see. What am I doing today? Well, today is Thursday, so I'm filming another episode of the Yarnjoy podcast. So please stay tuned for that and check that out. Please watch it. And that's it. I'm just working on that elephant baby blanket. I really need to get on to that, and I'm going to try to spend some time preparing some filling out some Christmas cards to get in the mail, and I think that's it. Just everyday. Well, that's not everyday stuff, but besides that, I have everyday things to do, laundry and, all that wonderful stuff. Okay, so I'm going to go, guys. And so thanks for watching, and come back tomorrow and we will do Vlogmas Day 5. See you later, guys. Bye.